So, guys, it's another day 2 of our preparation for the big wedding. Day before yesterday, we had fun at Mutual's inter-house sports party. Today, I decided to rest yesterday, so because man, I don't feel one side headache, this slight headache. So today, I'm doing with the packing for the kids stuffs. Yeah, I'm not done, and I'm not done buying. In fact, this preparation is getting me crazy. I've been at Mandela's market for like 3 times. Yes. Man, things are high, things are cost, things are expensive in the market. And today I'm still going to a cotton market to get things for their hair. I'm not done buying. We are still packing, we are still buying. I've not even started with the foodstuffs and all that. So fairly by Monday I'll be done packing all the kids stuffs, just like I said. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, our car will be arriving because my husband took the car to the oven to paint it, to flash a new paint on it, and he changed a lot of things like the steering. Yeah, he saw the new car seat, and he changed the bonnet, the front grille. He's changed the side mirror to this pointer mirror. So just want the car to look sharp because I'll be cruising it all by myself. You know what I mean? So guys, he really surprised me by doing that, and I'm grateful. He did that without. It was when he has took the car, he was not like, I wasn't like, baby, what's up? He said, don't worry, I just want to surprise you, and I'm grateful. So guys, thank God for the help of my nanny, the woman helping me to wash, and the woman helping me to do some house chores. So she'll be coming tomorrow on Sunday because she has no chance today to wash. So she'll be coming tomorrow to wash the kids stuffs. I'll show you the bunch of clothes. So she'll be washing, and the shoes and all that. So by Monday I'll be done packing. Let's say fairly Monday or Tuesday I'll be done packing all their things, because I don't want to start packing half and leave half, because of these children, they'll want to like, I just have to pack once and make sure that everything is set. So today I'll do the little I can do and get and rest. Then tomorrow, because I'll be going to a cotton market to get things for their hair. So tomorrow, the woman will be coming to wash their clothes and their shoes. Then bye.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction,
And that's my little princess over there at her school inter-house sports day. Guys, let's share and watch this video together. It's Clemy International School, Ikotu, Lagos, Nigeria. Inter-house sports day. So guys, stay tuned and feel your eyes. We had fun yesterday. There were a lot of games, a lot of sports. These children surprised and made us proud yesterday. So this is me and my friend, Mommy Sochima. Two of our kids attend the same school with my child, Clemy International School. Yeah, we had fun. Yeah, this is me. Yeah, and this is my princess, my daughter. Guys, meet my daughter, Princess Mitchell Munachimso Onama Gold Achike. Yeah, this is me and Mommy Sochima. We're just feeling ourselves. Yeah, we had fun. We had fun, guys. We had fun. Seriously, we had. The children surprised us everywhere. Everyone performed very good. As you can see, the children performing. This is a choreography dance, or how would I call this? We had fun. All the parents were entertained. There were a lot of activities. There were food. There were drinks. There were snacks. A lot of things. And despite the little amount we paid 5,000 naira per child. Yeah, you paid 5,000 naira per child, and we had fun. Clemy International School gave us the best inter-house sport ever yesterday. The children were in fact, they're so impressed. All parents were so impressed. We were so amazed that our children could get to do such a things. And guys, we had fun. There were also t-shirts for the parents and a face cap. Yeah, and everything were organized. Wow, the children made us proud. Wow, just watch their dancing step. Oh, so nice, so beautiful. In fact, I just don't know what to say. I said, let me share this video with all my fans. This kid really made this day for every parent in the market day for Clemy School. We had fun and truly they are future leaders. We're proud. truly the children are the future leader. They are future leaders. So wow, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful and encouraging. The whole field, we're filled up. Stardom, that's my mama. Mama could not perform anything. Yeah. So guys, thank you for staying with me. This is Sochima, Mama and my child. Thank you guys for staying with us in this episode. We love you. Bye.